video, we're gonna be doing the next mod on my B7 RS4, and it's gonna be a short video. We're just gonna be replacing my ugly US spec steering wheel for a Euro spec RS4 steering wheel, which is this one that we have here, and it should be very easy to install. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so the first step that we have to take anytime that we're doing anything in disconnecting sensors or anything major on the car is you want to disconnect the battery. So on my car is all the way in the back, and I'm just gonna pull this cover off, and then the battery is right here. I like to disconnect the negative. It should be 10 millimeter. Loosen it up, and it comes right off. And that way we won't throw any faulty codes or anything weird like that. I have a scanner, but it's just better to take it off anyways. Otherwise, afterwards, you have to be erasing codes or going through it to see what's going on. All right, let's move to the next step. All right, guys, so this right here is my US spec steering wheel, and it's not ugly, but it's not what I like. I like the flat bottom and with the aluminum style bottom right here. I think it matches my trim on the whole car, so I really wanted to go with that. So it should be fairly easy to remove. I believe we got 2 bolts on each side of here to remove this airbag. There's gonna be 2 covers, plastic covers, and we should be able to pop those out fairly easy, and then we can expose the bolt. Let me see. Oh yeah, there we go. Should be one more on the other side, and then if I'm correct, we need a T30 Torx bit and remove the 2 bolts. Okay. Right, that was easy enough, huh? All right. And that way I can figure out what size bolt we have in the middle, because I don't know that one. Nice. That was easy. Thought it was gonna be a lot harder than that. There we go. So that's the airbag. Just put that maybe in the back. And that's a big one, right here. Let me go and see if I have one, which I'm sure I do, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I like to use to remove any steering wheel that I'm doing, it's an impact and a cordless. Comes in handy. I have an adapter for it because I don't have this size in 1/2 inch, which is an M12. I believe these are called spline bits. I'm not 100% sure. I only use them on Audis. Not a whole lot of cars have these style, but this is what we're gonna use and get it off. Easy enough. Voila, and that is out. Alright, let me put it in the back. Let me reach out for the new one. Well, it's not new, it's used, but they're expensive. That's why I got it used. If you're wondering, this one put me back $950 with the airbag and shipping. I got it off a guy from Audi Performance Built Classified on Facebook, and he sold it for me for $950. But you can get this new. There's a couple places, eBay, or you can go to ECS Tuning, or there's a guy on Audi Scene that sends it to you brand new with everything. But it will put you back at about $1,800 to $2,000. So it's not a cheap mod. It's not a mod that you can really tell. Only us hardcore Audi guys can really tell that you did this. I don't even know why in the US they didn't do this right away, because this came off the same year car as mine, but from Europe. We got the ugly steering wheel, they got the really cool, nice steering wheel. So I'm doing it because I like this a lot better. Okay. Yep, should be plug and play. Hopefully all the buttons work. I'm not sure, I don't know. I didn't do enough research on that, but I'm hoping it will. Alright. Oh, that's good to have the 2 pins. Oh, you know, let's take the covers off. Okay, let's take it back off. I think it's easier to take it off than to be struggling with the 2 little covers. I think there you guys can see the bolt a lot better. Alright, let me go get my torque wrench. I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so I got my torque wrench right here. So I'm gonna torque this down, see if I can do it by myself. All right, we got it. I'm not gonna get into any torque specification with you guys. You guys do your own research on torque. All I'm doing is showing you my modification, not telling you what you need to do on your torque specification. So like I said, this should be easy plug and play. Like that. Like that. And then one more. Get it in there. Like that. So like that. And now we're just gonna turn it a little bit and get our 2 torque bolts tightened down. Good. Cover. There we go. And voila. Let me just go put the battery back on, and then we'll see if these work and if they light up, and we should be all done. All right, so we are done installing it. I don't know about you guys, but I think that just looks really good. Let's see if everything works. Put the ignition on. Oh wow. Oh. All right. So we got lights on the buttons. Horn works. Let's see if the solo el volumen o bajaste el volumen. Alright, so yep, buttons don't work. I guess they have to be coded for them to be able to work. So I will do that at some other time. But regardless of what I have to do to make those buttons work, and replace the emblem right here, which that one's a little worn, all the paint is gone, but I think that looks really good. I think it matches the aluminum trim very well. And let's get a shot of it from outside. Yep, I think that looks good. Looks a lot better than that ugly one. Yeah, so I gotta get a new one of those. That one was starting to get faded as well. So it's supposed to be black and have that little red spot on it. So that's coming soon. But I am happy and I like it. All right, guys. So just that's gonna cut it for today's video. So if you guys like the video, please give me a big thumbs up, comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We have a lot more videos to come. Please. It feels good. The steering wheel worked.